Hello everyone, welcome to our class. In today's class, we are going to read about the Hindi alphabets, part 7. Before moving into this video, we will recommend you to watch all the other 6 parts of this series and then return back to this video. Now a small recap of the part 6. It's Ka se Kamal and Kha se Khargosh. G से ग म ला गमला ग से गमला घ से घर घर घ से घर घ से घर. Now let us fill few exercises. Try to fill in the blanks in the coming pages. This is your page. Try to fill the first letter of the given word. Try it. I have filled it. It's G, M, La, Gamla. G se Gamla. This is your page. Try to fill the first letter of this given word. Try it. I have filled it. It's Gh se Ghar. Gh se Ghar. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like our videos, kindly subscribe to our channel and help us to make more videos like this. I will meet you soon in the next part of this series. Until then, bye. Take care and see you.